Hello. Today I'm playing Mad Paintball with my friend Shepard, and yes, and and then before in Blood Iron gameplay, I was I had a blocked nose, and so that's why I sound so like sick, kind of. But I'm fine now. And then I was also eating Skittles. That's what the cracking sound was. And then so now I'm gonna be playing with wait what with my friend Shepard and maybe Griffin and Michael. Wait, who's that? Okay, I'm being a sniper after this because every other gun is terrible.
Yeah, I'm gonna be a sniper just because a lot of other guns aren't bad.
Oh shoot. Okay, I'm gonna be a sniper now. Ree! I'm gonna go and eat I'm gonna let my paintballs eat people. What's that? Money spent towards each sector. Management 60%, employees. Oof. Okay, I'll never do that again. Oh shoot. I could see someone. I could see someone that is not allowed, or that's not supposed to be over here. Oh shoot.
Hey guys, today I am playing Mad Paintball 2 with some of my friends.
Why did I need a scope for that?
Shepherd 125 and General Polar. I'm kind of bit late, but it's fine.
Oof.
So I'm guessing you guys know how to play Mad Paintball?
I'm gonna be a shotgun.
This game's only in PC, so you have to run the trick.
Ree.
And just fun if you know how to do it, and it's laggy, you just get like.
I can't aim.
And some of the guns are trash. Why is the red flares? And so yeah.
Ree.
I haven't got a kill yet because I kind of suck at the game, but that's my fault.
Okay, I'm gonna be sniper because that is the only gun that is one shot.
Shotguns are one shot and get really close. Snipers are one shot on heads. Why did that kid like that? By the way, that was my friend.
I see Michael. My friend. That's my friend right there, and that's my other friend, and then I don't think Shepard's on my team.
I'm sad. I want to. Why is I
Rip.
Here? My cat. Yeah, that's my question.
Oh. I'm gonna go up this way. Hello. That is sad. Why do you need the scope on this for it to be so good? Oh, the power, I see. Oh. No, it gives you 20. It gives 25 with mine.
No, it doesn't.
Oh, it's just the look.
It's just skins. It doesn't improve no matter what type of skin you have.
It just makes it look better.
This game is hard.
Hard? This game's easy with a sniper, like it's easy to kill people. Because no one like everyone stops moving when they try to snipe.
I'm gonna go back to sniper kind just because I suck at all the guns.
This is what a rifle does. Like this is the fire rate. Capacity is terrible. But getting kills with this gun is terribly hard. But I guess he already had damage done to him. I'm gonna do an American style. Oh, never mind. Now this is what shotgun does. This is what it does up close. That looks like a snake.
Oh, because
It's terrible. The shotguns are okay. They're okay. But you have to be like... Okay, this is heavy. As you already... no, you didn't see me play it. This is the fire rate. The capacity is... Look at that. Like, look at the capacity. It's 50. Okay, that person already had damage done. It's not one tap. And then this is sniper, as you already saw me do. Using. Oh. I walked around the corner and I got murdered. And then if you press G, H, F. Yeah, if you press F, then your gun does this. Mine does. I'm gonna be right back. I'm going AFK.
she has like the symbol. Yeah, I think she has the double snakes underscore cat. That's a double. No, it's not game access. You can also get it legit. Like yeah. I'm still. At least I think I am. I'm trying. I'm just shooting into the abyss. I don't think.
Alright, guys, I'm back. I'm back. Alright, 7 minutes. This might be a long video. For some people, this is going to be a 10-minute long video. Hello, Shepard.
Oh, God.
I killed Shepard.
Assist. Another thing is, it does damage. The assault rifle has this, or it has something. Yeah, she's there. Just have to. I have a Tommy gun.
How do you get the Tommy gun?
You buy cases.
Oh.
It's not like
Oh, wait. Oof. Wait, is there game passes for this game? Let me just check. No, I can't even. I forgot. Look at all that gunfire.
Headshots are really easy. Because one headshot.
1 second. I see Mike or Shepard. I took a shot at Shepard. Oh, I watched him. I missed. I got him. I got Shepard, my friend.
My game's laggy, so my mouse is really sensitive, so it goes like. I think the flakes. Yeah, that's why we can't win. It's not possible for us. It's fun to stay at
Oh, okay, I'm using some sort of gun. Different gun. I'm using a shotgun this time. And look at this shot. Look at that. Like, look on top of my shotgun right now. It looks like it's trying to do the worm.
You guys.
Ree. I like walking out into the abyss and then just doing this. Oh, wait, that was a bad idea. Oh, wait. Okay. I just got Shepard. My friend Shepard.
I was hiding behind to see.
Alright.
I'm not gonna look this shotgun. My shotgun's weird. I don't really like it because it's kind of bright. But it's good shotgun.
Wait! Why is it auto? My shotgun is automatic.
Yeah, shotguns are automatic.
Shotgun is automatic. I didn't even know that.
Shotguns are automatic in this game.
I didn't know that.
That's a bit worrying.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna end the video here. See you in the next